essentials when you got to rebuild a YZ125. But why do we got to rebuild a YZ125, you ask? Because people suck. And they sell you junk. They sell you junk that blows up, that have milk in the trans oil.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, I wish we would have got that on film, but we went to drain the oil. Milk. Frig. So here we are. We got everything cleaned up. All the parts are in. It's time to rebuild it and pray that there's nothing else wrong with it.
We're gonna get at that right now and get this power valve swapped over.
Turn that back into a motorcycle.
Yeah, turn this back into that.
Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything is art. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing.
Got her back together.
It's a bike again.
Yeah.
It's a blue bike now.
So it's pretty much ready to fire up, eh?
I guess.
Time to do the first heat cycle on it. Well, we'll see if she fires up first.
Yeah, I mean... She lives. Fresh rebuild.
Yeah, there you go. I guess so. She's pretty fresh. Can't be any fresher.
Not the top end. We think it still might be bogging a bit, just based on testing it, but this ride should really give you a chance to wring it out a little bit, and maybe it'll clean it out, I don't know. Sounds pretty crispy right now. We'll get her dialed. We're gonna get her dialed.
Back on my feet, that's when I touch the ground. Build it up just to watch it all falling down. Smoke fills the room, my head up in the clouds. Stuck on this earth, damn it keeps spinning around. Never know if you can fly until you're done. You'll never know that you can die until it's done. My head stuck looking at the sky, and now I know why. It'll make my tears dry up, I need some shut-eye. But I can't even sleep, I'm lost in the day. I'm trying to get to you, I feel I'm in a maze. Then I got too close, that's when the feelings fade. I know that bridge is burned, and you said hit a blade.
How you doing?
My hands are tired. It's kind of same as before. Like, it's responsive, but it's still slugging low end. So I'm going in second, because first gear is just too sluggish. Oh God. Almost got that tree.
Look in the mirror and I see somebody that I hate. Hold on, I push myself until I break. Oh my, the place that I cannot escape. Oh my, look at the mess that I create. I love the rush, the rush can't get enough, I'm in too deep. But you still stab me in my back and watch me bleed. Even though I went to hell and back for you, it was like 1,000 degrees. But I can't even sleep, I'm lost in the day. I'm trying to get to you, I feel I'm in a maze. Then I got too close, that's when the feelings fade.
Yeah, hit it. Hit it. Me too. I was down and out, man. I was sad.
Dude, as you would be, yeah. For sure. That's brutal.
Well,
Looking back better than ever.
That's right. Oh no, not this part. Oh no. Oh, it's not deep. I hate this part. Sometimes it's really deep.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm back with my truck, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. Y'all got dreams, y'all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
That's some fun shit, dude. Yeah, so there you go. We changed the top end on my new YZ125x. It is feeling a lot better. It's still not 100%, but oh, it's along there. Looks pretty gnarly.
I'm a bit nervous, but I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun?
There she goes.
I guess I'll try this, try that.
Come on, girl.
Gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sleeping in the summer on a goose is right. Look for the nightclub for the end of the night.
That was wild. I'm wet now. I'm wet now. they're back there somewhere. Mel, I think her bike stalled in a huge water hole, so they're trying to get her out. I'm up here eating some peanuts and drinking some Red Bull. I'm not going back to that water hole. But yeah, so the bike's working a lot better now, thankfully, because it was so stressful. But we put a niche cylinder in it, just OEM size, and we put a Vortex piston because we wanted a cast piston, because I hear the forged ones like to blow up. We also changed the oil in the tran. It was milk, so it had water in it. It's just the bike wasn't fit to really be ridden, but I'm feeling a lot better about it now. It's still bugging just ever so slightly. Possibly, it seems like maybe something in the carb, but it's running a lot better. And I'm having a blast. I know my GoPro died. Sorry about that. But as you can see, we're having a blast today. It's a beautiful day. Almost Halloween. Oh, I hear them kicking over her 125X, so I feel bad. But anyway, it's been getting me through some gnarly stuff. I've been having a blast. But thanks a lot for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. If you're into this kind of stuff, like the dirt biking stuff, you know, fixing dirt bikes or side-by-sides, fixing side-by-sides, fabbing for the side-by-sides, or like trips we do on the dirt bikes or the side-by-sides, you get it. It's all typically off-road stuff, but we also do some stunt bike stuff as well. We do stunt shows, and we put that all on our channel. Yeah, so if you're into that kind of stuff and you want to keep seeing this kind of stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.